Let's talk about how you would take one rational expression and add it to another rational expression. Now, there's actually two different cases we need to break down, and we'll do this over the course of the next couple of videos. For now, we're going to make sure that for both of these expressions, they have the same denominator. That's very important because if the denominators are not the same, you take a little bit different approach. But here, notice we have an x minus 4 and an x minus 4. That's what we call a common denominator. They're both the same. Okay, so what do we do if we have two expressions and we want to add them together? Well, it's very similar to what we did when we were adding numerical fractions. What we're going to do is we're going to keep that common denominator, so that's going to be a part of our answer. So when we add these two guys, part of the answer will be just an x minus 4 in the denominator. And the arithmetic that's going to happen with the plus is going to happen only in the numerator. Okay, so we're just going to add up all the terms in both of the numerators together. So we'd have x squared plus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Okay, now once we have that, you might possibly have some like terms from both of the numerators. That's fine, you can add those together. Let's see, I'm going to try to squeeze this in here best I can. So this would be x squared plus 5x minus 6 divided by x minus 4. Okay, and then when you're done, try to simplify your answer, meaning, you know, it's very possible that the numerator and denominator may have some of the same factors, and you could cancel those or simplify the rational expression by canceling those common factors. So let's see here real quick. This numerator here looks like that would factor as x, let's see, x plus 6 and x minus 1, I believe. Okay. For this particular example right here, it doesn't look like we have any common factors in the numerator and denominator. That's no big deal at all. So we'll just leave our final answer as x plus 6 times x minus 1 all divided by x minus 4. And that's totally fine just to leave our final answer that way. So keep the common denominator. Make sure the arithmetic happens only in the numerator when you have a common denominator already. And then when you're done, combine like terms and simplify by canceling any common factors.